Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, where today we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 Kia Motorhome. Kia has surprised everyone by entering the motorhome market with a design that's modern, stylish, and incredibly functional. It's not just a van with a bed in the back. Kia has completely reimagined what a compact motorhome can be. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kia Motorhome carries a sleek, aerodynamic look that feels futuristic, yet practical. It's built on a specially designed platform that combines SUV ruggedness with van-like versatility. Smooth lines, LED lighting all around, and bold grille designs give it a strong road presence while still staying true to Kia's signature style. Under the hood, Kia offers multiple options for the motorhome. Buyers can choose between a hybrid model that balances power with efficiency or a fully electric version, ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. The electric version boasts a range of over 300 miles on a full charge, with fast charging capabilities that make road trips smooth and worry-free. Both versions promise reliable performance, whether you're cruising down highways or exploring mountain roads. Step inside, and you'll find one of the most thoughtfully designed interiors in the motorhome world. Kia has truly focused on maximizing space and comfort. The cabin features premium materials like soft touch surfaces, leather seating, and eco-friendly wood accents. There's a lounge area that quickly transforms into a sleeping space, a compact but fully equipped kitchen with a stove, sink, and fridge, and even a smart bathroom setup with a retractable shower. Tech lovers will be thrilled with the 2026 Kia Motorhome. It comes with a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything, from navigation and entertainment to interior lighting and climate settings. Wi-Fi connectivity, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports are standard. Plus, Kia's new SmartCamp app lets you manage many features remotely, like pre-cooling the interior or checking your battery levels before you even step inside. Safety is a top priority too. The motorhome is equipped with Kia's latest DriveWise technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and even a special motorhome-specific stability system that helps when driving in windy conditions or on uneven terrain. One of the most exciting features is the solar panel option for the roof. These panels can keep your essentials running without needing to plug into a campsite, giving travelers more freedom to explore off-grid locations. There's also a pop-up roof option available for those who want extra headroom or an additional sleeping space for guests or kids. Overall, the 2026 Kia Motorhome offers a perfect balance of style, innovation, and functionality. It's compact enough to drive comfortably in cities, yet spacious and capable enough for long adventures on the open road. Kia's move into the motorhome space is bold, but if this first model is any sign, they're about to become a major player in the world of recreational vehicles. That's it for today's update. Stay tuned to Future Cars Updates for more exciting news about the latest automotive innovations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more future-ready vehicles.